Nope.
Get a little bit of a line I can run it. Can I? How is it looking on this side as far as my driver front? Driver front?
You mean passenger?
I mean my.
Yeah, you can go over another 2 or 3 feet. I mean, I wouldn't turn that way.
Yeah, you want to hug it this way.
But I want to hug kind of this way, right? Let me just see if I can.
I would hug this line right here. Try it one more time, you almost had it.
Yeah.
Just back straight up.
So I go all the way down or try to
Helmet.
Whatever caught you, just barely caught you.
Your rear tire
Rear
up.
housing.
Back up about 6 inches. Try not to let the tire drop. Right there. So basically now you're well your driver rear tire's got to climb the edge of that rock over there.
So I can keep trying this way for a minute. Until
Yeah, you can keep going straight.
until
Yeah.
I get up and then cut.
Yeah. Because it just levels out right here. You got one. Alright, you're going to have to back up from there because you're all cattywampus now. Alright, straighten this tire up a little bit. Alright, stop right there.
Right there.
That tire will start lifting.
Yeah.
Turn this way and try to come forward. Just see if you can crawl it first. Keep coming this way. Alright, stop now. Passenger back up again.
There you go. Right there, right there, right there.
Alright, that's good. Alright, now you're back where you started. So you got your passenger tires on that ledge.
Yep.
Just want to follow this this V-notch here. And if it feels like it's going, if you keep going straight here, and you don't want to turn right.
Right,
You got about 2 feet.
That's I got that. I feel like I want to get lined up a little bit more this way.
Yeah.
Before I give it.
long sequence.
Oh, yeah, your back end's coming around better too.
Yeah.
Alright, just crawl it from there, get your front tires up.
There you go. There you go.
That looks good.
That was kind of the line right there, right?
Yeah.
Your back tires catch that rock and pull you that way, okay? Your back tires.
Yeah, we should get my back in. Forward a little bit.
Come back down some more if you need to. See what you're trying to climb? I found when I went down. Alright. Magic rock.
Magic rock.
All right, there you go.
Gotta hit a little bit harder than that.
Yeah, it's hesitated, but that's good.
You run over a dog with the left one time.
Yeah.
Run over a dog with the left one time.
It's all up in the air. I think straighten up, Craig.
Like this?
Just yeah, put them straight back up like a foot and then go.
I can't tell if it's straight. Am I straight?
That's
Faster a little bit.
yeah.
Right there.
Right there.
When it starts going though, you
Come, yeah. Man.
So close. Yeah. I don't know, he's in loose dirt up here now with the front end. I don't know if he can do it.
Yeah.
How much more room I still got on the right side?
Get thin.
About that much.
Yeah. Right there.
Turn driver a little bit.
One more try.
I think that's the line. Just got,
Yeah.
One more try now.
If you get a lucky bounce, I think it'll go.
Yep.
Lucky bounce. I love when I'm wheeling and luck's the place.
Now you're just teasing it.
Nah, I wasn't quite. About lined up.
It looks great. Oh, gotta love the rev limiter.